Hello and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to publish a survey. So let's say we create a survey. So we will do this real quick. So we click here on create survey, then we do start from scratch. And then right here, we fill in a question, just do Q for example. And then we created right here some answers or choices. So Q, Q, Q. Then we do save. And right now we want to publish this survey right here. So what we're going to do is we go right here to, let's see, done first of all. And then right here, if you click on done again, we go to save. And then we can click on preview survey. And then we do continue. And then we are here at publish survey. So now we have here some options how we can send the survey with mail, website, share a link, send a text, manual data entry, kiosk, or empty in a mobile app. We are interested right now in website or share a link. So if you select right here on share a link, we can click right here on copy to copy the link, or we can share the links right here at one of those applications. We can also download a QR code right here, but for this you need to upgrade. And you have a lot of options how you can publish it. But the main common way is click here on copy, and then you can copy that link right here, and then people send to your survey. So this is how you can publish a survey right here on SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.